Hello everyone, welcome to another video by Coding Ninjas. My name is Yash Singh and I was an SG intern at Samsung R&D Institute, Bangalore. So today in this video, I'm going to tell you 5 things that you should master while learning Python programming language. So the first thing that you should master is variables and data types. As you all know, learning a programming language requires to learn its variables or how you can declare them or initialize them. So mastering variables and data types in a programming language is very essential. This is a building block of programming language. So you should definitely master them. The second thing that you should master are the data structures. You see, after learning all the building blocks or the basics of a programming language, you should move on to data structure. That is how data is stored in a programming language. This includes stacks, queues, trees, graphs, hash map, priority queues, and much more. These are the topics from which interviewers ask most of the questions. So these are very important from your interview's point of view as well. So please master them. So the second thing is data structures. The third thing that you should master is OOPS concept. OOPS stands for Object Oriented Programming. This is a very important paradigm for writing code so that you can relate real world and programming languages. So you should definitely master them. In interviews as well, interviewers sometimes ask questions related to OOPS. It can be theoretical or coding related. So you should master them in Python programming. The fourth thing that you should master is file handling concepts and exceptional handling. You see, when you're trying to make a project related to DBMS, that is database management, or any machine learning, you need to handle data. So you need to learn the concepts of file handling and exceptional handling. These are very important. So please master them as well. The fifth thing that you should master in Python is generators. See, this is a very important concept in Python programming language. So you should definitely master them. There can be some questions that can be asked by the interviewers. So these are all the 5 things that you should master while learning Python programming language. Thank you.